welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my everyday makeup routine, and to start off we're going to take my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and we're just going to dot that all over the face to start out with some coverage. Alright, so when we're done putting that on, we're going to take my Real Techniques Beauty Blender and we're just going to blend that concealer in. Alright, so when we're done blending that one in, we're going to take the best concealer ever made, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And we're going to put that on all the areas where I just want a little bit more coverage, and then we're also going to blend that in with the sponge. So now that all of our concealer is blended, we're going to set that concealer with some powder. I love to use the Bare Minerals Well Rested Concealer Powder. It just gives me a little bit more coverage and it sets my under eyes really well. Also with that Well Rested Concealer, I will put it on a precision brush and put it on my blemishes because it's really good at concealing them. I love to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder to set the rest of my face, and I just take a big fluffy brush and just put it all over my face. For bronzer, I love using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It's so smooth and it blends like a dream. For a little contour, I take the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'll just put that in the hollows of my cheeks and also on my nose. For blush, I will take the Becca Flowerchild blush, and I will just put that on the apples of my cheeks and blend. For a gorgeous highlight, I will always take my Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive highlighter, and I'll just apply that to the cheekbones, down the bridge of the nose, and then also on my Cupid's bow. Now for brows. I'm still working on my brows. I'm still not 100% confident with them, but for now I've been using my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color Taupe, and I kind of just fill them in with the natural shape of my eyebrows. It's easier just to watch, but like I said, they're not perfect, but I try my best. With our head in the clouds, and we will walk with our feet on the ground. Once I'm done filling in my brows and blending, I'll always take a clear brow gel to set them. In this video, I'm using a Maybelline one that I don't really recommend. One that I really like using though is the Anastasia Brow Clear Gel. It just sets them in place and makes sure that they're not gonna blend away. Now it's finally time for the eyes, and my eyes for my everyday makeup routine are pretty easy. It only requires 3 different shadows, and the first one is from the Tartelette and Bloom palette, which is my favorite palette of all time. I'll take the bronzy color Smarty Pants and I'll just blend that all over my eye. For the lid color, I'm going to take my Blink Electric Eyeshadow palette that I got from my BoxyCharm. And it's the color that's all the way to the right. It's a pretty champagne shimmery shadow that I just love using all over the lid. Then we're going to, of course, blend the eyeshadows together. And then for the finishing touch, I'm going to take my mini Lorac palette and I'm going to take the beautiful champagne shade and put that in the inner corner of my eye to brighten everything up. Now I'm going to take that powder from before and just get rid of any fallout that might have occurred, and then you're done with the eyeshadow. Super quick and easy. And now we're going to move on to a brown eyeliner. In this video, I'm using one from Unique that I do not like. As you can see in the video, it takes several tries to get a nice color payoff. And so one that I love using is the ones from Marc Jacobs. I'll list the color name down below as well with everything else. But that one's much better than the one I'm using in this video. And then for liquid eyeshadow, I like to use the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in the brown shade. I like using brown liners because it makes the look a lot softer and less harsh than just using black liners. And then some days I'll just do a normal line, thin line across the eye, and then some days like today I'm going to do a pretty bold cat eye.
Used to be so happy, but without you here, I feel so low.
For mascara, I love using the best drugstore mascara ever, the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I'll do 2 coats on my top lashes, and then for the bottom, because I'm so extra, I use a different mascara. I use the Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara, and I'll just do 1 coat of that, and then I'm done with the eyes.
Always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die. And I will never want much more. And in my heart, I will always be sure I will never forget you. And you will always be by my side till the day I die. Day I die, 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 day I die.
For lips, I will switch my lip color pretty much every day. I typically just go for a neutral shade. In this video, I'm taking MAC Cream Cup and I'm just putting that all over the lips. And then the last final step is taking a setting spray. I like to use the Urban Decay All Nighter, and the mist is perfect on this one. And I'll just spray it all over my face, and I'll quickly just dry my face quite a lot. And then I am all done. Like I said, my everyday routine is pretty easy, and I can get it down to about 15 minutes every day. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. It was super fun making this, and I hope to see you guys back in my next video. Bye.
You will always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till